marami po akong pinagpapasalamat. I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful for the blessings na natatanggap ko at na meron ako ngayon. I'm thankful sa mga taong nagmamahal sa akin. I'm very thankful that I have healthy body. Hindi ako nagkakasakit. So I'm very grateful for that. And I'm grateful that I'm contented sa kung anong meron ako ngayon. Marami! I'll give 3. 1 is to my family, syempre. So, pasalamat for everything, that support, love. And nandiyan sila all the way sa ginagawa ko work. At nandiyan lang sila lagi para sa akin. Second is to GMA, of course. To GMA for giving me such beautiful opportunities, beautiful work sa lahat ng characters ko, na shows ko. Marami akong nakikilala and I'm thankful for them. And lastly, God. I'm thankful for Him every day. Special kasi I'm still here. I'm still here with everyone. I'm still here with Jimmy. I'm still doing taping. I'm still meeting new people, great people. And also, yung tradition nating Pilipino, hindi nawawala pa rin, di ba? Yung isa-celebrate natin yung Christmas with them, hindi mawawala nandun yung loved ones natin. Hindi naman importante yung magargong celebration, basta sama-sama kayo, and that's enough.